Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 4 how to update your Instagram biography using an iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to have access to is the iPhone itself, and then go to Instagram, click on the application itself, make sure we are signed into the account, and now click on edit profile, click on bio. And now we can add some additional hashtags or change whatever is in the biography at the moment. So I will change computer science videos to computer science videos without no spaces, remove all the hashtags and change them into just one single hashtag, computer science videos, add a few more equals, another hashtag, video content creator, and done again. Click on more. And now go back to the home page. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.